Hi, I'm Peter Kulish. The following segments are an overview of the monopole technology I invented and patented and then formally licensed to the Magnetizer company. In progressing the monopole systems, the most powerful fluid conditioning technology, I've now made a breakthrough of increasing the power over 10 times while reducing the system's size by 60%. This makes the application easier to put on and work faster. Enjoy the following and welcome to the world of monopole technology.
We're here in the southeastern part of Oregon at Lakeview, and it's a beautiful high desert area, and we're right now on Carl McBride's ranch, and he's an alfalfa farmer and also raises horses. And I'd like to introduce to you right now Carl McBride. Hi, Carl.
Hi, John.
How's it going?
Beautiful.
I hear your alfalfa is making you happy here.
Boy, you got that right.
Carl got acquainted with one of our distributors this year by the name of Richard Shuck, and he's in Klamath Falls. And Dick got a hold of Carl and put the magnetizers on the wheel lines out here. And it's just amazing what has happened with the magnetized water on the alfalfa. Carl took two pieces here, two 30-acre parcels, and one parcel he put the magnetized water on, and the other parcel is still without it. Carl, what's your opinion right now on the magnetized area?
Well, we got 2.5 tons to the acre on this 30 acres that we magnetized, and on the one we didn't magnetize, we got about 1 ton to acre.
Now, the way I understand it, about 1 to ton, 1.5 ton per acre, and they get about 3 cuttings here, so they'd average about 3, maybe 4 ton maximum here in this area.
Yeah, 4 ton would be maximum for this area.
And you got about 2 ton on the first cutting, right?
2.5 tons on the first cutting, and it looks like we're going to wind up with about 6 or 6.5 ton per acre on this 30 acres that we're magnetizing.
Boy, that's great. Isn't that something? And then last year you got, I'm talking to you, about 90 ton total on this 30 acres. So that would have been about a ton to the acre, right?
That's right. We got 90 ton off of this 30 acres last year and 75 ton off of it in the first cutting this year.
So you're looking at around 6.5 ton this year over 1 ton last year.
That's right.
Oh.
That's hard to believe, but that's what's happening. I don't believe it myself, but there it is, you know.
Now, I was talking to you about the watering. Could you tell us a little more about the irrigation part, about how your sets are going and stuff?
Well, last year we had 12-hour sets, and this year we cut it down to 7-hour sets, and we make 3 sets a day, and it gives us an hour to move each wheel line. And so we wind up with 7-hour sets, and that's all we need. We don't need no 12-hour sets, and we get over the field a lot faster, and the water, the magnetized water goes into the ground faster, and it never gets dry.
Yeah, we was walking out here in this field a little while ago, and Carl was showing us where it was still damp, and they hadn't irrigated there for over a week, and that was really fascinating to me to see. It's been nice clear weather here for well over a week, and hot. It's been very hot, and still there's moisture right at the top of the ground too, so that's real remarkable as far as I was concerned.
Yeah, them 7-hour sets, so you're not only saving electricity, but you're saving water.